So in today's video, I want to talk about the correlation between like having a day job and being a creative entrepreneur. I have a piece that enabled me to kind of like cross over. I created basically a graphic recording that you're seeing on your screen about the Milford Arts Council. And I am the director of marketing. So photography, video, social media marketing, graphic design, that sort of thing. So for my entrepreneurship, I'm a graphic recorder. So I'm going to meetings, I'm creating infographics for businesses, nonprofits, that kind of thing, and just helping them share their story, like whatever is being discussed in the meeting. So I talked to my executive director and we came up with this concept about showcasing our April events. And all of that revolves around an event called the Community Doodle that we'll be doing at our Firehouse Gallery on Naugatuck Avenue. And that event is basically a community event where we're going to have people kind of just draw some stuff and come together and have really great conversations. So what I did was I took that theme of doodling something and I integrated that with all of our events. So it starts with the Community Doodle that is in the center, and then there's a path that goes from the photo expo all the way up to the different concerts that we have, and just kind of taking the branding and the Community Doodle illustration that we created to advertise the event and having that branding carry out throughout the illustration, and then even integrating the glasses that I'm wearing in this video, and probably my favorite pair anyway, and just kind of making those connections. So it is like a face of a stick figure with the glasses, and then the top of the head is coming off, because it's like the cartoon characters just brimming with all these ideas and all this excitement about the concert. And we have 3 poetry open mics that will be advertising. So a ton of different things in April, and this is running as an advertisement on Instagram and on Facebook, just so we can really get the word out and just do something creative with the branding. And April is also Poetry Month, so I have that advertised. Words like vision, make your mark, entertain, Poetry Month, fun, Milford, where the Arts Council is, culture, heart of the arts, which is our tag, exciting, enrich, for everyone, being all-inclusive, a light bulb symbolizing ideas, a sun, TV to symbolize media, and then a word balloon, our logo here, the Mac. Other part of the branding and the advertising is this piece here. And the idea came from our newsletters, which are pretty full with the events that we do. So what I wanted to do was create like a sticky note that lets people know the events we have coming up, like point by point by point, but it's not just like a long laundry list of things. And when I think of a sticky note, I also think of like being in a creative office and you're wanting to jot down things to remember them. So listing off the Milford Photo Expo, which is Thursday, April 3rd, Lyrical Voices, which is one of our poetry open mics, the Community Art Doodle, which goes back to the branding from before. We're having a few sessions for that, so all the information's there. We have a regular open mic at the Milford Arts Council, April 9th. We have a quartet concert on April 11th. Poetry open mic hosted by our written word group, April 13th. Benny Banak Jazz, April 18th. And then the last thing on here is the monochrome color and word opening reception, and we're currently accepting submissions for that. So these 2 illustrations just kind of showcase being able to be a graphic recorder but also a marketing director and the overlap between those 2. So it's really exciting being able to create artwork for my day job that also informs my entrepreneurship too. So if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. I love putting out these videos, just talking about my process, and I'll be doing a lot more soon.